Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to apply these 3D text effects with just one click. Stay tuned till the end to watch full process. So, let's get it started. First, go to the Google browser and type Freepik. Link of this website is mentioned in the description. Click on the first link. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account. And type 3D text effect. Select the asset type, PSD. And click on Free for free downloads. Here are many amazing text effects. You can download any text effect you want. You can click on this for more effects. I like this one, so I'm going with this. You can download it from here. Open the folder. Double-click on it to open the PSD file. Open the Layer panel. Double-click on the Smart Object layer. Double-click to edit the text. Then press Ctrl+S to save the file. It will take a little time. Go back to the original PSD file. And text is applied to the effect. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.